Camera rolling and action. Hurry, where is our news anchor? Starting again. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, hi, welcome to Abhi Tak News live from Superior Lateral City. Myself Sainab Sharma will guide you towards the breaking news of Superior Lateral City located in our state brain, located in our marvelous country, the human body. A man named Mr. Broca Arora, resident of flat number 4445, Pars Opercularis and Pars Triangularis apartments in inferior frontal gyrus colony of our city, is on a major strike. Our ground reporter, Mr. Navjot Singh Neuron, will provide you insights of what is happening there.
तो बोले सोनेहाल सत श्री अकाल नमस्ते जी माई सेल्फ नवजोत सिंह न्यूरॉन जी ग्राउंड रिपोर्टर ऑफ अभी तक न्यूज चैनल फ्रॉम सुपरलिटरल सिटी you know my name na if you don't know you can search my name on googly.com and send me a friend request on Facebook. Today we are standing on the site where Mr. Broca Arora is sitting on the strike. Let's find out why is he sitting on the strike. Let's have a word with him. Mr. Arora, why are you on strike ji?
Well, you see, this greedy and mean MC corporation cut my blood supply without any reason. So tell me, what should I drink now?
Oh ji, what are your demands ji?
See, like any other area, I also require 24/7 proper blood supply to fulfill my necessities.
Oh ji, if you remain on strike for such a long period, what losses will our country is going to encounter?
See, if I will be on the strike for a very long time, then our great country will be speechless. In technical terms, we can say the country will have motor fascia recession. In the long terms, this will affect the communication of our country with others and cost our country financially. Thus, our country will suffer.
This was Mr. Broca Arora, to whom we talked.
Dear viewers, you are listening to Mr. Broca Arora, who is on strike due to stoppage of their area's blood supply. Due to this same reason, Mr. Vandikesh Banerjee is also on strike. Mr. Vandikesh Banerjee is a resident of flat number 22, 39 and 40 of angular and supramarginal gyrus colony of our city. Let's have a dip in the matter. Our ground reporter will take you up there.
I am back ji. Now you all are familiar with me na. I am Mr. Navjot Singh Neuron, the ground reporter of Abhi Tak News channel. Oh ji, you have sent me a friend request on Facebook or not? If not, open your mobile phone and send me the friend request on Facebook right now. Oh ji, this back pain na is hurting me a lot today ji. Actually, I am the only ground reporter with Abhi Tak News channel and they give me a lot of work ji. And they don't give me a single holiday to take my baby to Canada to meet Parjai ji. Anyways, now let's have a word with Mr. Vandikesh Banerjee and see why is he sitting on strike. Mr. Banerjee is on strike even in this heavy rain. Oh ji, Mr. Banerjee Paji, why are you on strike ji?
So I have the same issue as my neighbor Mr. Arora, that we both are not getting proper supplies from the MCA corporation, who is the major blood supplier of our city.
Oh Paji, what are your demands?
My sole demand is that corporation should supply blood to each and every area fairly.
Oh Paji, what impact will our great country have due to this strike?
If this strike continues, then our country, the human body, will be unable to understand what other countries are speaking. International relations of our country will be broken with everyone. Medically speaking, there will be sensory aphasia slump, due to which proper exchange of words and sentences along with businesses of reading and writing will get hugely affected by it.
Oh ji, thank you Mr. Banerjee. I hope that your demands are fulfilled as early as possible ji.
According to the reports, the major supplier of our city, the MCA Corporation, has been filed for bankruptcy under the Human Body Act 1992. This type of bankruptcy has been infamously known as the MCA Stroke Scam 2020. So that's all for today's The Breaking Hour. Thank you for watching. Join us tomorrow at the same time only on Abhi Tak.